Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to go over combustion reactions, which for us will include both complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Now this may be reviewed, probably already learned this in grade 10, but I will go over it again. Okay, let's start. It's not going to be too long, fortunately. So your general equation for a combustion reaction will begin like this, for both complete and incomplete. Now it's some hydrocarbon with varying numbers here, so the X and the Y can represent different numbers. It does always have to have oxygen, and it will look like, at least for a complete combustion reaction, it'll look like this. So a hydrocarbon, there can also be oxygen here as well, but we're going to stick with just C's and H's, carbons and hydrogens, plus oxygen. Now it will need some kind of activation energy or heat, a spark or something, but essentially when it combusts you will get CO2, carbon dioxide gas, and water vapor usually. Right, so that is the general form of a combustion reaction, of a complete combustion reaction. Okay, now that is ideally what you want, the most efficient kind of reaction, but it is often hard to come by because there may not often be an exact amount, proportion of oxygen present to achieve complete combustion. So when there isn't enough oxygen present, you're going to get what's called an incomplete combustion, right? Where in addition to carbon dioxide gas and water vapor, you're going to get a couple of other products. So we'll see what those are now. And essentially they are these. Let's exit presentation mode. Right, so we normally get water vapor, it's carbon dioxide gas, and the other two are these. So it's solid carbon in the form usually of soot, and sometimes it's easy to see, sometimes it isn't. And the dangerous one over here, carbon monoxide. Right, that attaches to your hemoglobin and it can suffocate you essentially from the inside or at the cellular level. So that's quite dangerous. Okay, so we can practice a bit. So if we're going to combust propane, that's here C3H8, in the presence of oxygen, a complete combustion reaction would. Now here is where you probably like to pause a video and try to figure out the complete balance reaction for the complete combustion of propane and oxygen. Like start you off with a 5 here, so write your products, right, and write your balanced equation. Okay, pause it here, give it a shot. Okay, hopefully you've paused it. Now an incomplete combustion, and I've somewhat already balanced the equation for you. Here you can continue. You might want to pause it again. Here we have propane again in the presence of oxygen, and you produce other products. So pause it here, give it a shot. Okay, well hopefully you paused it. Let's reveal our answers now. We'll have it in highlighter mode still. Okay, there you go. I'll erase that. So here we go. This is the answer for the complete combustion of propane, and this is the answer for the incomplete combustion of propane. You can see it has your extra two products here, carbon soot and carbon monoxide, right, fully balanced. Okay, so I know I've already mentioned this, but important point to say again, in a complete combustion reaction, you produce again carbon and carbon monoxide. Very dangerous. You don't want to ever operate a barbecue or any kind of gas-powered anything inside a house, inside a room, always outdoors, well ventilated. Even in a garage might actually not be safe. Here is your textbook practice. Give it a shot, practice these for sure, and ask any questions if you need to. Until next time.